horizon line here is just a little bit off. We're going to use the cropping tool to do it, and we're going to invent new background using the content aware scale. So we go from this to that. It's nice and straight, and there's even more background. Same with this one. Okay, we're just going to straighten it up, invent more background, make it look awesome. Let's jump into Photoshop and see how to do it. Alright, let's open up the images. Let's go to File and go to Open. In cropping, there's cropping 04 and 05. Thank you, Hunter Johnson and Caleb Eckroth. Anyway, sorry. Okay, so we're going to be working on this first image here, and we'll get you to do that as a practice. So let's have cropping 04 open. Let's grab the crop tool. And basically all we want to do is straighten up the horizon, okay? So to do that, there's a little option up here that says straighten. Click on that. And nothing really happens except your cursor changes to this like little level. What you do is you click, hold, and drag across the image. Okay, it doesn't have to be all the way across, just wherever you can kind of get a good sense of the horizon line. And it just kind of rotates it for you. You can manually do it, but it's just a nice little easy trick. Now, using our extra skills from earlier on, you can see it's kind of cropped it inside. We're going to lose those pixels right here. Let's say I want to keep most of it. Okay, we'll try to at least see how it goes. Okay, so I want to rotate it, and then I'm going to make sure content aware is on. And I have to resize it again. Yours is probably on by default. It's okay. Now click return on your keyboard, or you can click the little tick up here. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it starts. It's pretty magic, huh? So it's invented more background, straighten the horizon line. And what I'd like you to do in the second exercise, do the same thing. Okay, so grab your levels tool and drag it out. Hit return, make sure content aware is there, have a practice. Super simple, super cool. Let's get into the next video, yet another cropping video.